If you've come across ads for Willow and Ember Jewelry promising timeless keepsakes that celebrate life's most precious moments, you might be wondering if this new brand is truly special or just another overhyped online store. We looked deep into willowandember.co, and what we found paints a mixed picture. The website looks elegant and emotional, filled with sentimental quotes and delicate jewelry said to symbolize love, connection, and milestones. But when you scratch beneath the surface, things start to feel a little uncertain. The domain itself was created only in July 2025, which makes it a very new player in the market. Not necessarily bad, but definitely something to note when no solid reputation exists yet. Their About Us page is missing, and there's no information about who actually runs the brand. The contact section only lists a generic email address with no phone number or real business address, which always raises a red flag for transparency. The photos on the site look flawless, maybe too flawless, the kind you usually find in stock image libraries rather than original product shots. On top of that, they use constant, limited time sales, countdown timers, and claims of only a few pieces left, which seem designed to rush buyers into impulse purchases. Even though the jewelry looks meaningful and could make for sweet gifts, the lack of real customer reviews online makes it hard to verify if anyone actually received what they ordered. So, while Willow and Ember Jewelry tries to project warmth and emotional value, the hidden details tell a different story, one that leans more toward uncertainty than trust. If you're thinking of buying, it might be wise to wait for more genuine reviews before deciding whether Willow and Ember is truly a keepsake brand or just another fleeting online trend.